Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix cursor is loading and also blinking circles. So there is a simple way you can fix this. So let's start the video. First of all, right click your start menu and you can see run here. Or if you cannot find this, just click the search option and just type run. And here is the application, just double click to open. And after that, you can see this box. You have to type here msconfig. And after that, just select OK. And here you can see this window will pop up. Here are 5 options: general, boot, service, setup, or tools. We have to select the general option, and after that, just select the normal setup and select apply and then select OK. But if you after selecting normal setup cannot find the apply button, all you have to do is select the diagnostic setup and then select the normal setup again and select apply and select OK. And in this very simple way, you can easily fix the problem. So this is my video and I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel and I will see you guys in the next video.